I finally brought one up. A payphone.
We found a payphone, and the coin box is still on it.
What's up, everybody? My name is Jeremy, and today I'm back out on the river, and I'm not alone.
Today we're gonna be hunting treasure in Atlanta, Georgia. I woke up at the crack of dawn, drove like 2 hours.
Today I'm joined by fellow scuba diver and treasure hunting expert Andrew from the YouTube channel The River Steward. Today we're teaming up to see if we can find any lost or stolen items out in the river, pick up any kind of trash we come across, and see if we can find any old, strange looking things, such as this little piece of pottery that looks like it has an elephant on it. We just swam up on a huge TV. This definitely doesn't belong down here, so what we're gonna do is team up, get this thing out of the water, and in the trash where it belongs.
There you go.
Oh. That was a workout.
That was a workout, man.
Right here's a good walking spot.
Oh my gosh. It's so big. Oh.
I hit my knee so hard. It really hurt. Come kiss it.
Check this out. Andrew just swam up on a rifle that's buried underwater. You can barely even see the butt sticking out of the dirt. Make sure you go visit his channel by clicking the link down below in the description to see this rifle in more detail on his video.
Is that nuts? No way. That is amazing, dude. Dude, that is awesome. That is an awesome find. Oh my gosh, that's so cool looking.
Dude. Yes, dude.
It's 2 rifles and a handgun so far in here.
I always find the guns.
Yeah, this thing was buried for years, dude.
This looks like a little fanny pack or something similar to it. Sadly, there's nothing inside it. I don't think you guys could see it, but what spooked me was a little crawdad was actually inside the shoe, and he darted out when I moved it.
We found a payphone and the coin box is still on it. We're about to crack it open and see what we can find.
What was that?
We gotta get the quarters, man.
Dude.
Look like the Grim Reaper. You really do.
Ow!
They're just rattling your hands.
Oh man, it did.
We just need to tie it to the truck and just drive around town.
Time to break out the power tools. And we finally busted this thing open, got the box out and everything. Not one quarter in it. What a bust. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff that I found. Found another Coke bottle. They're everywhere. Found me a couple more bullets. Awesome. Here's that little clay thing that I found at the beginning of the dive. If I had to guess, I would say it's more Hindu stuff. There's a lot of that out in the rivers, so I'm not really surprised to find anything like this anymore. Cool looking little jar. I've been using a little bit of electrolysis on this lock that I found, and check it out. You can actually see some writing on it now. It says Sargent and Company, New Haven, Connecticut. I did a little research on this. This is a vintage lock. It's older. I couldn't figure out a date on it though. I found this broken dish. It looks like a butter dish, probably modern, but it still caught my eye, so I brought it home. I found this old rifle in the exact same river that Andrew and I are swimming in. And guess what? Andrew found one just like it. If you're interested in that video, make sure you click right here. And if you're digging my content and you think you should subscribe, make sure you hit that logo right there. Until we meet again, my name is Jeremy, and I will see you on the next dive.